which was super handy because Matt was so lovely. Link weren't being like given advice, being told how to do something, being shown on the sounders what to do. It just is too much to jam pack into one video, but I'll do my best to give an overview of what I learnt for the day. If you've never casted a rod before, this is for you. If you want to learn the techniques on how to catch bass, this is for you. There is from very beginner to seasoned angler and everybody in between. You can get something out of this day.